Please ignore my nails. I am so sorry. Anyway, today I'm going to be attempting realism. And you're probably like, Grace, don't you normally do realism? Isn't that kind of your thing? Yes. However, I'm going to be attempting it with crayons. Please do not ask me why it's in a Christmas box. Anyway, I organized them by color because that's just kind of a thing I do. I will be using this reference picture, which came from Temi Danso Art's art page on Pinterest, and I followed her tutorial on YouTube, so I will be linking that down below. As usual, I will be linking the supplies down below, and let's get started. Okay, so what you're going to need is a pencil to sketch, an eraser, that also is for the sketch, paper, crayons, and tape. This is so that you can set off the rest of the paper. And you're going to need a white highlight pen. Some other things that you can get that are completely optional but really might enhance your drawing is some solvent, which can help blend crayons. I currently am not using this. A crayon sharpener. This came with a box of Crayola that I got. I recommend this because crayons can get extremely dull, like really fast. And the final thing that you could use is a toothpick. And with that, we can begin our drawing. So before you do anything, the first thing you're going to want to do is take off your edges. Alright, I did that. Now, as you can kind of see where the tape is, but my dimensions are about this big. You can change them however you like.
Voice over me here. As you can see, I have started my sketch, and I am starting with the shape of the eye and the eyelashes. Very simple. I go in with the iris and the pupil, and then I have to lighten the lines, as you can see me doing that with my kneaded eraser.
Really cool step. You can add texture to a drawing by simply using something like a dotting tool, a pin that's not too sharp, or a toothpick to create lines in a drawing like so. Watch this. It creates an imprint in the paper, and when you color over it, it gives it texture. Now I'm going to do this for just a little while, and you'll see how this all comes together in the end. While you can't see it, there is definitely texture in the drawing, which will be extremely helpful for when we start coloring. The first step to this drawing is to go in with the lightest shades.
Voice over me here. As you can see, I'm going in with all of the colors and the beautiful green shades for the iris. I think that these shades are really, really pretty, and you gotta make sure that you layer them lightly for the best blend. And here I'm indecisive. Oh, blue. Oh yeah, very pretty. Then we go in with some of that salmon pink color for, what's that called? The waterline. Then I go in with some grays, which I kind of regret, but it's fine. Now I start going in with a peach color for the base of the skin. Then start bringing in some browns just for shadow, because that's the main part. Then I do the eye makeup in the corner. And I start bringing in some colors for the crease, start blending stuff out. The crease didn't end up great, but that's fine. I blend, 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 and add those luxurious eyelashes. Now it's time for all of the beautiful highlights. Here I am going in with all of that beautiful white pen and trying to get it to show up in the lightest areas, and I'm struggling a little bit, but that's okay. Art is a struggle. Here's the final product. I think it turned out pretty good for a crayon piece.
Signature.